Thanks for joining King Electric's product training series. Today we're going to discuss one particular product family that's a good example of King's core mission over the last 65 years, and that is to push the market forward through product innovations that make our customers' lives more comfortable. That leads us to the importance of accurately maintaining a room's temperature set point. The controls used with any heating system play a critical role, ensuring optimal performance, comfort, and energy efficiency. And King's line of ECO2S energy-saving smart heaters do that better than the competition. By the end of this training, you will have a basic understanding of the energy-saving features of ECO2S, how these products are used, and just how customers can benefit. The accuracy of a heater's control system is directly proportional to not only customer comfort, but also the amount of wasted energy a heater consumes each month. To see this in a visual context, let's look at this diagram of a typical heater running over an extended period of time and compare that to an ECO2S heater. You'll notice a phenomenon called temperature swing, which means that the heater tends to overshoot the desired temperature due to thermal inertia, and that is the time it takes the heater to respond to change. This is at its most extreme when using traditional mechanical bimetal thermostats. ECO2S heaters combine two-stage heating with the proprietary logic of ECO2S's electronic controller to automatically reduce the temperature output as the room approaches the temperature set point. This design reduces temperature swing. It maintains a constant room temperature for maximum comfort, all while limiting the amount of wasted energy the heater generates. Let's watch a short video to learn more.
Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Electrical Manufacturing Company, and today we are going to discuss the KB ECO2S Plus line of smart unit heaters. Unit heaters that work smarter, not harder, to keep you comfortable. But what exactly is KB ECO2S Plus? If you think about it, every 5,000 watt unit heater on the market consumes exactly the same 5,000 watts of energy when it's running. That's just Ohm's law. The best way to reduce your energy spend is to ensure the heater is only operating at the exact times needed to keep you comfortable, reducing large temperature swings and wasted energy. That brings us to the importance of the controls. The more precise the thermostat control on the heater is, the less it will run and the more accurate it will maintain the room temperature to the desired set point. With ECO2S Plus, we took this idea one step forward and developed an electronic temperature control with built-in energy saving, two-stage heating that will automatically use the lowest wattage needed to heat the room at any time. When the heat demand is high, the ECO2S Plus runs at full wattage, bringing the room to temperature quickly. Once the room is within 3 degrees of the set point, the heater automatically switches back to the eco mode and consumes roughly half the wattage to maintain the set point while virtually eliminating large temperature swings in the room. The two-stage heating design is what separates ECO2S Plus from the competition. But why stop there? With KB ECO2S Plus, we pair the ECO2S Plus with a versatile remote temperature sensor like this. We've all experienced being in a room with cold spots, areas that never seem to feel quite as comfortable as they should. This battery-powered remote temperature sensor can easily be moved around the room, so your heater knows exactly where the room's cold spot is and works smarter to keep the entire room comfortable. Simply mount it on the wall with the included bracket or place it on a shelf or workbench and get the right temperature right where you want it. KB ECO2S Plus was designed for use as a primary or supplemental heating source in warehouses and large open spaces like garages or storage areas. It's available in 208 and 240 volt models up to 15 kW and built with rugged spiral steel elements and high CFM to ensure even air distribution, producing cooler element temperatures which prolongs the life of the heater. The ECO2S heater offers additional features such as a 9-hour timer, a summer fan only mode, and a simple handheld remote control. So the control is always in your hands, and with the display lock feature, these heaters can be used in high traffic areas, and the building owner can have confidence to know that the heat won't be turned up without the proper approval. KB ECO2S Plus comes standard with a provision for adding an optional 24-volt thermostat for remote temperature control, making it compatible with many Wi-Fi thermostats like the Nest or any 24-volt thermostat available on the market. This opens endless potential for controlling the heater from a remote location, allowing you to set the heat schedule to match your lifestyle. You can even turn on the heat manually minutes before you enter the space, guaranteeing you will never walk into a cold garage again. The KB ECO2S Plus can even be wired into a building management system, making it ideal for commercial applications where the building owner wants the strictest control of their HVAC system. Now that's pretty powerful. Thanks for watching, and remember, King heaters like the KB ECO2S Plus are made right here in Seattle. Now isn't that smart?
Thanks for watching. As you learned, ECO2S is one giant leap in temperature control. It takes an average 1,000 watt heater and turns it into something smart. Once the space is heated within 3 degrees of the set point, the heater automatically switches to eco energy saving mode, running at half wattage to maintain the set point. It also eliminates those large temperature swings that we talked about. The end result is improved comfort for the customer, all while saving money on their electric bill. In addition, I think we've all experienced rooms in the house that have had significant cold spots that never seem to come up to temperature. This is one of the biggest challenges with any electric heater. They're not always installed in the ideal location to evenly heat a space. Sometimes they're installed because it's easiest for the electrician to put it in that location. It's not always near the area where you spend the most time. With the simple addition of the ECO2S Remote Temperature Sensor, these cold spots are virtually eliminated. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back for more training later.